Okay, awesome. Welcome aboard as the newest member of the ProfitBuilder family, and you have just made one of the smartest business decisions of this year by getting the ProfitBuilder platform. But before we go forward, I want to show you something that is the perfect add-on to ProfitBuilder, and it will help you take your business to the next level. This is the Template Club. So, with the Template Club, we want to give you an unfair advantage over your competition by giving you exclusive access to our private collection of premium templates. And we are adding new templates to this archive and library every single month. Let me show you just a few of these amazing templates that you can unlock right now when you're a member of the Template Club. For example, this is the gym example, and you can see here, this is a great way to showcase your products or services. I mean, you can easily adapt it away from the gym, so to speak. Maybe you want to run a highly engaging social media contest to win a particular prize. In this case, this is all geared towards e-commerce. Can be adapted for any purpose at all. And like I say, ProfitBuilder is really at the core of everything we do, and these are all the templates that we have in our private stash that we use to drive our business, and I want to give them to you on a silver platter. It's like my entire design team works personally for you to help you with your business, to give you this incredible access to these lovingly crafted, optimized and tweaked templates that you can use in your business right now. I'll show you a few more. For example, this is one of my favorite opt-ins. It's kind of goofy with a giant giraffe here with a kid on a cliff, but again, it gets attention. And we found that stuff like this, and this particular one, converts like crazy. This has converted at 65% for us. With that being said, here's another one. This is actually one of my favorite templates at the moment, and this is what we're calling the masterclass style. You might have seen those ads on Facebook. Celebrities and experts and legends in the industry sharing their knowledge. Well, it's not too difficult to create something like that with ProfitBuilder. And as you can see here, we've created this virtual character here called Elliot Weissman. Does not exist. We have this as a background video that shares, it kind of conveys authority immediately. You can see he's teaching a class here and everything else. This is something I just threw together from stock as a demo. But you can see you can showcase your products, you can showcase your services or your courses or what have you. Very powerful, and again, converts like crazy. Here's another one, Donahoe's Steakhouse. Great for local business owners and everything else, so maybe you've got clients in the local business space that would benefit from something like this. Again, we threw this together, and it's a great way to showcase a product or service or a local business with a video background. Again, everything optimized for maximum conversions. You can see here's another one. This is actually one of my best converting webinar templates right now. Last time I used this template in a webinar, we had over 35% attendance. It was great because we had the ability to feature a video and everything else. I couldn't do this with a lot of the existing landing page builders out there. So what happens when that happens? I go build my own. This is the result. I'd love to give this to you right now. Here's another one. This is kind of based on Netflix, funnily enough. But by the time my team had finished with it, we created a great way to showcase a nice homepage account, create your free account, get started type thing. And you can see here, all of this is powered by ProfitBuilder. And again, I'm going to give this to you as part of your Template Club access. Again, you can create all sorts of really powerful sales pages. Actually, you saw me showcase this one in the video maybe on the previous page. This is something that we did and we were playing around with. Converted like wildfire, and it's a very compelling, attention-getting sales page. I'm going to give that to you right now as part of your access to the Template Club. And as part of the Template Club, you get access to over 25 high-power templates with more added every single month. Not only that, and this is really very, very powerful. For a limited time, I am actually going to give you my ProfitBuilder sales page and the Power Cycle OTO page, the very page you're looking at right now as templates. Now again, these sales pages are responsible for millions in sales. And I mean, no one would ever do this if they were safe. However, because I value what you're doing and you are an action taker, you're here right now, you have Profit Builder, I want to give you the full advantage and power of everything I can. So to do that, I'm going to give you the template of the $1 Million Sales Page and the Power Cycle OTO, and I'm going to give those to you as part of this. They're worth easily $3,000, but I'm going to give them to you when you sign up today and add Template Club to your order. But we don't stop there. I really wanted to make this as powerful and as a no-brainer as possible for you. So we also are adding a collection of extensions to Profit Builder, and I want to show you a couple of them right now. This one is called Pickmaster. Now these are just extra plugins that bolt right into Profit Builder, and with these you can actually go tap into a massive library of over 900,000 high quality images. I'll show you an example. Say for example I want to go for, say, Apache helicopter, okay? I'm going to hit 20 and I'm just going to go search. Now this taps into a Pixabay, which is a massive library of amazing high quality photos, and in just one click I can either crop this image and I can say, okay, I want to grab this one, I want to play with this one, I maybe want to just take that, and then I can save the cropped image, so I can literally adapt any picture I want to my purposes, and if I say use, boom, it puts it right in. I don't have to go have expensive stock library licenses, I don't have to scour the net finding a picture I'm actually allowed to use. Boom, we can do this, and again, what I'll do here is I'll just clone this, and I'll go get one more image here. So say for example, I want to go find an apple. Okay, so I'll go search, I'll find a picture of an apple. The first thing that came into my head, I must be hungry, grab that, and just say I want to use that one right away. Fantastic. Okay, maybe I want to use one as a column background. Well, watch this. I could go here, and I could say, okay, I want to go over here, and we're going to go to a normal image widget. But you'll notice over here, there's a new tab in your WordPress, which is the Pickmaster. So it not only does it work with Profit Builder, it extends WordPress itself. So I could, let's just say I want to go get an eagle. Okay, so I'll just do that, and I can search for all sorts of different filters, maybe photos, illustrations, or what have you. But I'm just going to go with a standard one. I'll just grab an eagle, and I'm just going to go ahead and use that image. Now watch what happens. It now becomes the background of this entire element. So very, very powerful, but watch this. This is something else cool that's in Profit Builder. We can do the image zoom effect. There's the, as I roll over, gets your attention, a little bit of animation and movement. So that's one extension that is part of the Template Club, and we're adding more extensions all the time. Here's another great one. This is if you use webinars, and we have a very enhanced integration with Webinar Jam and EverWebinar. Now, normally you could just copy and paste their code and put it on your page. You're good to go with one of our elements. This is the next level of access. In fact, let me refresh this page. This is a webinar that's an auto webinar running every 15 minutes. So it's connected. It allows me to jump right in. I won't go into all the nooks and crannies of this one, but you can see next one is going to be in 6 minutes. If I click here, it's giving me the alert, hey, 6 minutes. I can watch yesterday's replay. I can watch the next virtual one, which is in 15 minutes. Or I can go ahead and watch one later on, schedule it up. Now the cool thing is this is fully configured. All sorts of cool things you can do with this. One of the elements I can add is the ability, obviously, to get a phone number. So I'm going to just say yes. And there's, like I say, there's so many different things you can control in here. I won't get into all the training right now. Full training in the back end, obviously. But if I click this now and say I want to watch one later on, boom, I can pick up the phone number. It automatically detects where I am in the world, so it knows my country code. All done and dusted. So very, very powerful. Those are just two of the extensions that we have right now that you can get as part of the Template Club, with more on the way. So just to recap, you get all these fantastic templates with more added every single month. You can use them in unlimited designs, on unlimited pages, and you're all ready to go. It'll help you have that unfair advantage. You get my 2 very powerful templates, the $1 Million Sales Page version 2, the brand new one that is powering Profit Builder and raking in hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales as we speak, and the Power Cycle OTO page that you can use in your sales funnels right now. And you get all current and future extensions for Profit Builder as part of your Template Club access. So usually this would be $67 a month, but for a very limited time, we are letting you have access to this for just $29.99 a month. It's an absolute bargain. Like I said, this gives you a true unfair advantage. It's as if my entire team is sat down in your office helping you run your business, and you get access to all the inside strategies and goodies that we use with our templates in your business. So go ahead, click that button below, add this to your order, and lock in your Template Club discount right now.